Number 2 Romeo Mike, traffic you may see when you're on the go.
Back on the power, please.
Landing at the northwest corner of the airport.
So he moved us to the bigger parallel.
I got you.
Has that guy landed yet?
No.
Give me another notch of flap, please. Another notch. Oh, there he is right there, short final. So we're following him, Rob. We're number 2.
Gotcha.
And then he wants us...
Delta, did you pick up your traffic short final?
I'll get it. Traffic in sight, 52 Delta.
2 Delta, roger.
Yeah, come on around here, Rob. Yep. So he called the traffic. Yeah, I got him now. There he is. See him there?
Right.
Yeah, there you go. Now just square your pattern off. You got the airplane. 65 to 70 knots here. Start your turn. Another notch of flap, please. Power back. So he moved us to 3 right, and then he said left track.
Is it okay to park on this taxiway, Delta?
On tower again.
44 Yankee, I'd like to land on the taxiway here and wait till they get a couple airplanes out of the way.
44 Yankee approved.
Thanks.
Good. Happies are saying you're a little high, but that's okay.
Well, he gave us a longer runway, so.
We got 6,200 feet of runway. Start looking down the runway, down toward the boxes, start level. Vision back. Get a level. Good. Good one. Okay, car beat, no brakes. Take your... Go.
Yankee clear.
44 Yankee, roger, thank you.
Thank you.
So he wants us in left traffic, so we're going to go back on left traffic.
Okay.
I'm pretty sure that's what he said, so.
Should we call to verify?
Well, I mean, I'm pretty sure he said left traffic, Rob, didn't he? I mean,
that's what I thought I heard.
I mean,
I heard it too.
503, tower, you up?
Yes, sir.
Jet 503, Lunken Tower, fly runway heading, climb and maintain 5,000, runway 3 right, clear for takeoff.
I want to get out of the way of this guy.
Runway heading, 5,000 feet, clear for takeoff, Jet 503.
Lunken Tower, Sky 2232 Echo 10 to the northeast inbound, information Delta, full stop.
Sky 2232 Echo, Lunken Tower, into the right downwind for 3 right, and report midfield.
Right downwind for 3 right, report midfield, 32 Echo, thanks.
Don't know why he moved us off 3 left. I mean,
Number 2 Romeo Mike, runway 3 right.
he hears to listen to him, Rob, huh?
And traffic citation starting.
You don't know if he's going to change our instructions again? You got just listening skills. Level me off here, 15, please. 15. Power back. Power back.
Remember 6252 Delta, change your runway back to 3 left. Runway 3 left. Clear for the option and then left traffic.
Oh, we're not landing again.
Cleared for the option, 3 left, 52 Delta, say that.
Cleared for the option, 52 Delta.
Cincinnati approach.
On 3 left, Rob, always repeat back exactly what he says to you. Power me back a little bit. So now he changed you back to 3 left. So did I warn you? Be ready.
Probably 28.
Never know what he's going to do.
I didn't know we were landing again.
Oh, we're going to do another touch and go.
I didn't know that.
Oh, yeah.
52 Delta, verify you did copy 3 left.
Say affirmative, 3 left. Affirmative, 3 left, say it.
Affirmative, 3 left. I thought you said it, that's why I wasn't.
No, Rob, but I'm telling you, I want you to make the call. So
okay.
When here, hey, if you don't see my hand over here, look.
Jet 503, contact.
And you know I'm not talking.
Oh, departure, so
Hey, car B, you're the end of the runway.
2 Romeo Mike, can we have
the whole key down here is you got to keep those ears open, huh?
Left traffic for 3 left on the
And
go.
he's not trying to trick
Mike,
you or confuse you.
Left
Just
3 left on the go.
when he tells you to do something, remember what it was or write it real quick and then repeat it.
Okay.
All right, so I don't want to get too low here over Fort Thomas, so power me back. Give me some more flaps, please. So we're going to fly kind of a modified pattern here.
Okay.
You got to let the nose down here, Rob. We got to come down. So power back. It's a little unconventional. That's it. Now kind of go right towards the right here.
Okay.
Roll it out, nice and square. I think you're high. Power back and more flap. Yeah, we're going to do a couple touch and goes here, huh?
Okay, doke.
Start your turn. You got to kind of stay away from this hill here in Fort Thomas. You're on these runways, 3 left and right.
So when we're doing this, we don't have to announce that we're on final or anything
he
here.
cleared you for the option.
Okay.
The option is a full stop, touch and go, low approach, whatever you want to do.
Gotcha.
The option gives you 3 different choices. I still think you're high. Go to idle, please. Got a little shorter runway on this side.
Right.
All the way to idle.
We are.
Full flap, still high.
40 flap?
40 flap, yeah, we'll do it. Take your time, let it come down. Level, get it level. Get it level. Hold it, nice. No brakes. I got your flap, get your car beat, and we'll go.
Well, that is a much shorter runway.
Huh?
Much shorter runway.
It's only, well, you can't use that part of the runway for landing or takeoff. That displaced threshold right there.
Uh-huh. Do you want to be
That's
up?
called a displaced threshold. The reality is you really only got about 3,500 feet instead of 4,000. Got a key. We're operating with the tower guy. Just listen to him. And like I said, he's not trying to mess you up. Just you got it. And I tell you, when I fly at towered airports or approach control, I fly with a pencil in my hand. I write things down real quick.
Are we
Whenever
left?
Yeah, left traffic. Yeah, he had said left traffic. So we'll come around, do one more, then we'll go over downtown. Huh?
Okay.
And, you know, so your response up here.
Number 2 Romeo Mike, is this full stop?
If he hasn't cleared you, Rob,
Romeo Mike, runway 3 left.
Your
Clear
ball's
for the
out.
option and then left
Watch
traffic.
your ball. Less rudder. Yeah, you don't have much rudder.
If he hasn't cleared me, what?
3 left and then the...
When you're on base leg, if he hasn't cleared you yet, then you make a call. Tower 527 left base 3 left.
Gotcha.
And let him clear you.
Lunken Tower,
You got to have a clearance to land here.
On the downwind, right downwind for 3 right.
November 2232 Echo, runway 3 right, cleared to land.
Runway 3 right, cleared to land.
Level off, level me off, lower the nose. Come out a little bit, Rob, you're getting in a little close. Yeah, I mean, you can't fly a perfectly square pattern here because of the noise abatement over these homes.
Right.
So it's a little unconventional pattern here. We may be using more flaps and more power reduction than normal.
Carb heat's on.
But yeah, I would go ahead and start your coming down right now. So go ahead and power back, 16 to 17. Give me 10 flap. You know, let the plane come down here, you know, make that power. And look, let me show you something. So if it's not coming down, Rob, then just bring the power back more. Go ahead and decrease your power. Or give me 10 more flap.
And 2 Mike, corner.
Romeo Mike, roger. Number 52 Delta, runway 3 left, clear for the option.
52 Delta cleared for the option, 3 left.
Yeah, the response should be cleared for the option, 3 left, 52 Delta.
Ah, crap.
Always say it at the end. Huh? Okay, another notch of flap. So look, so we're staying away from these homes here. That's good. People don't like you flying over their rooftops.
Number 32 Echo, there is a Cessna on left base for the parallel runway.
Okay, looking for that. And negative contact right now, 3 seconds.
And number 52 Delta, there's a Cessna on the right base for 3 right.
Tell them I have them in sight. Say I have them in sight.
I have them in sight, 52 Delta.
I see him over here, base. I have them, not you, but that's fine. Rob, line me up there. Idle. Hold it, yeah, just take your time. There you go. No brakes. We'll go.
How you doing back there, Ronda? You okay?
Doing good?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Okay.
Just videotaping, that's why I didn't do it right away.
Okay, Rob, now you think you can make this call as we're turning crosswind? Lunken Tower, 6252 Delta would like to depart the pattern over downtown at 2,000 feet, and a departure to the north. Can you say that?
Lunken Tower, 6252 Delta. Would like to
depart the pattern
to the north.
Number 6252 Delta, left turn at Delta and contact ground point Nunner.
No, I want to depart the pattern and go over downtown at 2,000 feet.
Left turn at Delta and ground point
And then depart to the north.
Okay.
So just wait, make sure they're always clear.
Go ahead. 2 Romeo Mike, runway 3 left, clear for the option.
So let that guy respond. Start your turn.
9er, 552 Romeo, ready, 3 right.
Less rudder.
552 Romeo, Lunken Tower, runway 3 right.
Not so much rudder in the left turn.
Right on course.
Huh?
All right, clear to go 3 right, right turn out, 52 Romeo.
Okay, tell me you'd like to depart the pattern over downtown at 2,000.
Lunken ground check, 223.
Yeah, you got to get in there. It's okay, stop, don't.
32 Echo still on tower, ground point Nunner.
Keep that climb up. Go.
Sorry, 58 Mike Echo will be ready when we get up there.
Hey, Mike Echo, Lunken Tower, short 3
downwind. We can depart out of the downwind.
Short 3 right, 8 Mike Echo.
Go ahead.
Lunken Tower, 6252 Delta. Would like to depart the pattern, go downtown, 2,000 feet, depart to the north afterwards.
Good.
Uh-oh.
Number 52 Delta, understand you're going to break off your pattern now and head toward downtown, or are you going to do one more and then go downtown?
No, downtown now.
Affirmative, we're going to go downtown now. 52 Delta.
52 Delta, proceed as requested.
As requested, 52 Delta.
As requested, 52 Delta.
You always repeat what they say with your end number. So go on up to 2,000 here, Rob. Just follow the river.
Station 858, Mike Echo, Lunken Tower, climb and maintain 5,000, runway 3 right. Fly runway heading, clear for takeoff.
3 right, clear for takeoff, and maintain 5,000 runway heading, 858 Mike Echo.
Coming off here, good. Lower the nose. Launch over the river here, right out this way. Yeah, because of airspace, kind of follow the contour of the river down.
Okay.
Power back, please. 2,100 or so. We don't need to go real fast here. But I need you right at 2,000 because of those towers. Those towers are, 1,900 feet. So we can't be 200 feet off our altitude, right?
Right. go for 2,000.
Yeah, a little more power in there. 21 to 22. Anything less than that, you're going to be flying at a real high angle of attack.
Number 8, Mike Echo, turn right, heading 090.
Right to 090, 8 Mike Echo.
Number 8, Mike Echo, contact Cincinnati departure.
8 Mike Echo.
What'd you do there?
I don't know, just seeing what all that static was, huh? Well, traffic don't look too bad yet, does it?
Yeah. Moving in all directions, okay. Now to go over the river that direction, that requires CVG?
I'd have to call approach control to get in there, yeah. I've done photo flights over the top of CVG, 1,000 feet. I usually give them a call ahead of time on the phone, tell them I'm coming. I don't like to surprise them. Gotcha. All right, Rob, go ahead, start a gentle left turn there. Oh yeah, 75 starting to back up. What do you mean? Look at it there. Starting to bottleneck there at the approach ramp.
You said you used to do traffic?
Yeah, 1985 for WLW and EBN.
No kidding. From a plane, not a helicopter.
30 years, both. 30 years ago. Are the Bengals out practicing? Nope.
Nope. I didn't know they had 3 practice fields down there.
Yeah, they got 3 there.
What do you think, Ronda?
Love it. I've taken a couple pictures so far.
God, I hope you don't get vertigo.
I ain't going nowhere.
No MSG. Little right rudder, Bob. Rob, get that ball centered.